Hello everyone, this is Shrikante, and today we are exploring something that lies at the heart of being human, which is gratitude. But we're not just talking about gratitude as a personal emotion. We are expanding on it through the lens of business, community, and the global impact. So this presentation will challenge us to think of how expressing appreciation can reshape not only our relationships but also the entire organizations and societies. Gratitude in this context is a social force, a connector, a motivator, and even a tool for change. So let's get started. The importance of gratitude. Gratitude isn't just a personal virtue, it's a psychological necessity. It enhances the emotional bonds and strengthens social relationships. When people feel appreciated, they are more likely to collaborate, support one another, and stay resilient in the face of adversity. Gratitude builds the community. It reminds us that we are interdependent, meaning that we rely on each other emotionally, socially, and economically. So when it's practiced intentionally, gratitude can help us create environments of trust and belonging, whether in families, teams, or the entire businesses. This slide highlights the two powerful community building concepts, which are generosity and shared purpose. We'll talk about generosity first. So, generosity deepens our relationships by making others feel valued, meaning that when we give our time, attention, and resources, we build the connection and trust. But generosity alone isn't enough. What really unites people is a shared purpose. When individuals rally around a common goal, whether it's solving a local issue or building a sustainable business, they create a sense of ownership and belonging. This slide is to remind us that gratitude and generosity, whether practiced together in the service of something larger than ourselves, can change the communities in a positive way. This is where gratitude meets the global change. Appreciative inquiry, also known as AI, is a method of organizational development that focuses on strengths and possibilities instead of problems. This is an example. Basically, under Kofi Annan, the United Nations used AI to bring together diverse stakeholders and spark collaborative innovation. Instead of asking what's wrong, AI asks what's working and how can we do more of it. That kind of question is rooted in gratitude. So it starts from a place of appreciation for what it already exists, and this approach has inspired the global businesses to take sustainability seriously, proving that when we center gratitude and positive dialogue, we can drive meaningful change on a massive scale. This slide shifts our focus to business. This slide shifts our focus to business as a force for good. So, leaders like Jeffrey Sachs have demonstrated how companies can tackle global issues like poverty and climate change by innovating ethically and sustainably. Notice the example from Israel Jewish and Arab communities co-owning the businesses. So, what we're trying to say is that these are more than just businesses. They are models of peace building, and they have shared prosperity. And also creative entrepreneurs like the founder of Oat are proving that sustainable innovation like the biodegradable sneakers can be both environmentally responsible and economically viable. So, what connects all of this? A mindset of gratitude. So, when business leaders operate from appreciation for the planet, for diversity, and for future generations, they're more likely to act in ways that benefit the world. Let us end with a return to the personal. What this presentation is all about is that how gratitude can be expressed in so many ways and how it can be used in different occupations or fields. Positive psychology teaches us that gratitude isn't just a nice to have a thing, it's more of an essential for well being. When we focus on what's good, on what we already have, we build hope, joy, and emotional strength. So this isn't just about putting on a happy face, it's about changing the lens through which we view the world. Gratitude helps us counter negative thinking patterns, reduces stress, and build healthier relationships. So whether we are trying to be more mindful in our daily lives, or we are leading change in our communities, gratitude equips us with the mindset we need to grow, connect, and thrive. And yeah, that's it for this video. And this will be my last video. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.